So I guess let's try the new Gundam heavy weapon system. And here we have the head pod. And same as always, cut away from the gate. This piece is actually very nicely molded. It's one single piece without any seam lines after you have snapped onto it. So from observation, there's 3 gates leftovers on the helmet. So let's use the cutter and try to get as close as possible. 1, 2. Yeah, my cutter is very rough right now. And that piece right here. So move on to your X-Acto knife or some kind of hobby knife. Approach it from 2 angles, front, back. Oh, this piece is tough because it is on a curve. Always leave some room so you can sand it down with sandpaper. But if you really don't care about it, you can leave it like that, because what you want to achieve is just snap it on quickly, like for some youngsters. But I like to make it all smooth. So after the cutter, this is really nice piece. So 600, a little bit there. Yeah, and then use your fingers to feel the piece, the part you're working on. Doesn't feel any roughness there. I better make sure not to lose this piece. There we go. Whoa. Nice job. My bad. So what's the last? Let's do one more. Where was that? Oh, here. The thing is, if you cut too deep into the pot, you need to put on putty to fill in the blanks, which is annoying and waste of effort. This is 1000 grain, so and the last point. It's actually pretty easy. Now use your fingers to feel the piece. Dry it down. Yeah, you have to use your nails. Sand it down until you feel that it has achieved that smooth surface. I think that's about it. See you in next to show which parts to go through the through work So let's say this part right here, since I already read the instructions, and this gate right here, it is fitted inside this piece right here, so it'll go over here. So there's no point of going all those detailing work into cleaning up the gates. And also this piece, this is the sand canto. So this, you can see it plugs into something else, so there's no point of cleaning that. And if it is on the side, the gate is on the side, it is easier to clean up. For other services such as the shoulder armor piece, what I did was this was composed of two pieces that you snap on, and make sure you have all the poly caps and other parts fitted onto it, and you put on cement in between. Okay, cement in between, and then you put it all together and squeeze out all the excess cement and wait for it to dry. And it should show a little bit of extra stuff sticking out, and you just use your hobby knife and then cut as closely as possible. And you and next thing is use sandpaper from 600 to 1000 to smooth it out. So I did all of the above, and it has a pretty smooth feeling to it. And these two pieces are actually not quite aligned on the inside. So one is thinner, kind of. It looks thinner than the other. But after all of those work done, it's all smooth and it won't fall apart that easily. And yeah, I think that's about it. And for painting, I use Gundam markers to do the job. And yeah, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching.